Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ENZC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very nice move today as things were looking rough. Things were looking, and there's still work to be done, don't get me wrong. But the fact of the matter is, any rational person would say having the price go from where it was down here to up here, that's been a great move. But that does bring about the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it now all revolves around this area right here at 30 cents, where the first update comes into play. And this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closes above, you want to see them act as support, especially in this case, because, and I'm not saying this will occur, but if the price were to come down here, behave in that manner, and then continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? That would quite literally be putting the price right back to where it was. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. But I mean, to be fair, no price can just go straight up either. So what happens if the price were to come down here, the difference being behaves in that manner before starting to curl upwards? Now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a big difference. You would have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. And if you envision those as stair steps, you'd have stair steps making very nice progress in the upwards direction. And that's what truly strong moves are going to do. They're going to make progress. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined right there at 30 cents. As far as next potential areas of resistance at, main level to watch now moving forward, you're going to be right up there at the 42 cent mark. So 42 cents, public enemy number one headed into next week. But all in all, any angle you look at it, very impressive movement today. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum moving forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.